Gusto niyo bang kumita ng extra income from TikTok without even selling your own products? I'm sharing exactly how I promote itong mga TikTok affiliate links to my social media and how you can start earning from it as well. So yes, kahit nasa bahay ka lang, if you're scrolling TikTok daily, might as well earn from it. So by the end of this video, you will know how to set up yung affiliate links, share them on social media, and drive traffic that converts into income. So are you ready? Let's go! Let's start with the basics. Ano nga ba itong affiliate marketing? So in simple terms, si TikTok inaalaw ka na mag-promote ng mga products from the TikTok shops. And then every time na merong buyer na bibili from your links, ay mag-earn ka ng commission. So that's it. Walang puhunan na kailangan. Just post, promote, at kikita ka na ng extra income. The best part, hindi mo kailangan ng malaking followers. Even small creators can start earning by sharing itong mga affiliate links. Now, if you are not yet an affiliate creator, meron akong ginawang video kung paano ka magre-register bilang affiliate creator. So, lalagay ko yung link down in the description box or dito sa ating card. Now, let's start sharing our affiliate links. So, paano ba tayo mag-share? Madali lang naman. There are 3 simple steps kung paano natin i-share yung ating mga affiliate links. So, we will start with step number 1 wherein hanap lang tayo ng products na gusto nating i-promote. Don't worry kasi madali lang naman maghanap ng products sa TikTok. So, meron tayong 3 pathways kung saan tayo pwedeng maghanap ng products. Number 1 ay product marketplace. Number 2 ay ShopTab. And finally ay yung FYP page. So now, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano tayo maghahanap ng mga products and then kung paano natin ito i-share sa ating social media para kumita tayo ng commission. So dyan sa inyong mga screen ay makikita nyo yung aking TikTok account which is yung Graceful Homeschooling. So kung interested kayo kung paano mo nag-homeschool or kung paano kayo kikita habang nasa bahay, i-follow nyo lang ako sa aking TikTok account. So dyan sa screen nyo, sa pinaka-bottom, ay meron kayong makikita dyan na home, shop, and then plus sign, inbox, and then profile. So, ang i-click natin dito ay yung shop. And then, it will lead you now to this screen. So, makikita nyo yung napakaraming mga products na pwede nyong i-share. Pero, depende sa kung ano talaga yung gusto nyong i-share na product. So, let's now take an example. So, let's see kung ano yung i-share natin. Ito, lagi ko itong nakikita dito sa TikTok, sa aking FYP page, itong bag. So, it's a Japanese messenger casual bag. So, yan yung i-share natin. So, i-click lang natin yung product. And then, meron kayo dyan sa pinaka-top portion na makikita na parang yung search button, tapos merong arrow, and then cart, and then yung 3 dots. So, ang i-click natin dito ay yung arrow, and then ito yung makikita nyo sa inyong mga screen. So, meron dyang nakalagay na share product to earn. That's gonna be 10 pesos and 90 centavos per sale. So, that's 5% commission. So, make sure na meron kayong makikita na generated card dyan. So, ito yung itsura nga niyan, yung share product to earn. So, if there's a generated card as shown dyan sa inyong mga screen, ang ibig sabihin nito, the link you will generate can earn you commission. So, yung step 3A ay itatap nyo lang yung copy link button to get the generated affiliate link. So, once ito ay ma-share, the product link will undergo approval and will be added to your showcase for attribution. So, yung step 3B naman ay yung generated link can also be sent via direct messages as shown sa inyong mga screen. So, meron kayong makikita dyan na mga nakalagay yung send to. So, nandyan yung mga friends nyo and followers. So, ang gagawin nyo lang dyan ay i-click nyo lang kung kanino nyo gustong isend itong link and then masasend na sa kanya yung affiliate link na to. And the generated affiliate link can also be sent directly sa ating mga social media. So like for example, Facebook, Messenger, TikTok Friends, Instagram Direct, SMS, email, WhatsApp, and then Viber. Pero pwede nyo ding i-click yung more dyan para makita nyo kung paano pa tayo makakapag-send sa ating mga social media accounts. So let's say for example, gusto nating mag-share sa ating Facebook account. So i-click lang natin yung ating Facebook. And then ito yung makikita nyo na screen sa inyong Facebook. So meron dyang nakalagay na Graceful Homeschooling which is also my Facebook page. So pwede kang magsulat dyan ng iyong message. So like for example, ang itatype natin dito ay trending Japanese bag. And ang i-click mo dito ay yung post para ma-post ito sa iyong social media account. Right, let's talk about kung paano naman natin i-share yung mga affiliate links na to effectively. So, number one ay mas natural kung ipapakita natin yung actual product. So, halimbawa, ina-unbox natin itong product na to or kaya naman ay kung paano talaga siya ginagamit. And number two ay mas maganda kung pipili tayo ng social media platform kung saan natin ipopost itong mga affiliate links. So, like for example, yung Facebook and TikTok dahil marami talaga yung active dito sa mga social media platforms na to. So, i-take advantage lang natin itong mga to para makapag-share tayo ng affiliate links at makapag-earn tayo ng commission. So mga mommies, if you're spending time on TikTok anyway, why not start earning from it? So this side hustle is perfect para sa ating mga stay-at-home at homeschooling moms dahil hindi na natin kailangan ng puhunan or wala tayong kailangan ng puhunan, madali lang siyang gawin and also fun to do. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button for more tips kung paano tayo kikita habang nasa bahay. And let me know in the comments ano yung unang product na ipopromote mo. And let's grow together. Follow me on my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and then Shopee. Lahat ng yan ay Graceful Homeschooling. Thanks so much for joining me today and I hope that I'll see you again on my next one. God bless everyone and I will see you around. Bye everyone!